Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check, which is kind of like a test page, on a Canon Pixma G3520. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the machine itself using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the machine. Now obviously to print the sheet you're going to need some paper in there, so make sure you've got that done prior to starting. So from the main screen of the printer, as you can see here it says copy, we're going to press this button here with a pair of pliers and a screwdriver to get into the setup mode. Once we're in there, we can use the right hand arrow, take us past Wi-Fi, device, feed, until we see maintenance on the screen. Press OK to go into maintenance. And nozzle check is the very first option here. So we're going to press OK to go into that. Now this will take your printer a few seconds. And it'll print you something, hopefully it looks a little bit better than this. And what we should have here is bars for the black ink at the top, and then we've got cyan, magenta, and yellow here. As you can see, mine is incomplete due to a known print head issue on the printer. But you might see intact bars, but with lines missing across them, as well as just the completely absent colors like we've got here. And from this page, you should be able to work out pretty easily which colors need improving. If, like me, you've got any visible print quality issues from this page, you're going to want to take a look at the cleaning and deep cleaning cycles also available on this printer, which we have a separate video for on our channel. And once you've got a firm grasp of these two procedures, you can just do cleans and nozzle checks until you hopefully see an improvement in your print quality. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, please drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you next time. Take care.